Sing San Kai Tai Leho. My name is Rahel Bonaventura, 32 years old, from Jadina, Vizcaya, Philippines. I am single with a living partner. I have one son, age 4, and two daughters, ages 12 and 9. My highest education attainment is college undergraduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and singing. I'm a pet lover. I have one cat and two dogs. My expertise is childcare. I work as domestic helper in Qatar for 2 years. I serve one couple and 7 children, ages 12, 9, 8, 7, 4, and a 2-year-old twins. I also work as domestic helper in United Arab Emirates for 1 year and 11 months. I serve one couple and 2 children, ages 9 and 5. My duties are taking care of children, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save and earn money for my family and kids. I am willing to take good care of newborn baby, children, and toddler. I can sing nursery song like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. To my future employer, Mom and Sir, please choose me as your housemate because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and kind. I promise to be a good housemate and prioritize my job, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you, Mom and Sir. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.